Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name's Erica. We are on ornament number 6 in our Classic Stitchy Ornament Sew-Along. So we are on number 6, ornament number 6 of our Stitchy Sew-Along. So I'm sure you've seen all these, but if you're new, we are sewing through my 12 Classic Stitchy ornaments this year. These ornaments are based on classic traditional quilt blocks. They're a lot of fun. They're totally beginner free, very fast and fun to do, and they just are so cute to decorate with. So yesterday we did block number 5, and that one looked like this, a cute sawtooth ornament. And then here is ornament number 6. Now this one I got a little bit of fancy with. I definitely couldn't fit those teeny tiny pieces on the quilty version. So here's what the quilty version looks like. So definitely a little bit different there, but there's no way I could have got these tiny pieces going across there. Now here is where some good contrast in your thread is going to just really make that pop. I think mine might have been just a little bit too close on this one, but you can see it in person pretty good. I did do my darker red for these teeny little stitches going through my main star block. And then here is my backing for this one. So I think, like I said yesterday, I think I ended up alternating the ornaments. If I was planning ahead that much, I'm not sure. But anyways, that's what number 6 looks like. Today I wanted to share with you one of my favorite ways to store my floss when I'm working on a project. So I'm sure you've heard of these before, but these are called floss flowers, and these you can get at Fat Quarter Shop, and you can store your floss in a couple of different ways. This one I just have hanging off of the hole here on the side, but you can also take your floss and wrap it around the floss flower as well. My floss isn't long enough to do that with, so this one's just hanging off of it. These come in a variety of different colors, and so I have a bunch of them here in this little bowl. These are all flosses that I've used, or if I'm using a project, I'll have just the floss flowers I need in the bag for that project. And they have a bunch of different styles of those. These ones were also really cute, especially for Christmas. These are called floss tags, and these are by Treehouse Fiber Arts, and these were just cute little Christmas trees, and they came in a pack with this ring. And then here you can see Treehouse Fiber Arts. She actually kitted my 12 days of stitching ornaments for me last year, and so this was in her kit. So these are really cute. But I love having fun ways to just hang on to my floss and organize my floss when it's in my bag. That way it's sort of easy for me to grab and find, and then I just can take any extra pieces, like when I'm done, and just wrap them on there, or like I said, wrap it around the flower, toss it in my bag, and then all my floss stays together. Now these actually come with these little stickers that you can put on here, so you can write the number of your floss. So you can see here that I put that little sticker on there with the DMC number on it, or whatever floss you're using, but that way you can keep them labeled. So when you're done with a project, I kind of throw these in this bucket when I'm done, and then later when I'm looking for floss, I can know which one this is. Plus it makes everything cute, and I love having my projects cute. So I put them in cute projects bags with cute little floss holders. Everything's super cute. So lots of fun. So that's going to be it for our ornament number 6 today. I hope you're enjoying our stitch along this year. Don't worry, we're going to finish in plenty of time to decorate for Christmas. So take your time and have fun on these little ornaments. So that's going to be it for today's video. Make sure to leave me a comment below letting me know what color you're using or how you're finishing these. I would love to know what your plans are for your ornaments this year. Thanks for joining me for today's video. I will see you in the next one when we take a look at ornament number 7.